and Namaste. मैं हूँ सोनिका शर्मा and welcome to Fit Tak. Today we are going to show you some asanas to help you in regulating your blood pressure. Blood pressure यानी कि hypertension, high blood pressure, it is something we hear a lot about. हमें बहुत सुनने में आता है कि आजकल बहुत common हो गया है. A lot of people are having high blood pressure, which is very dangerous actually. And it is very important to regulate the blood pressure. Some of the causes why we get high blood pressure is stress or not enough exercise, drinking, smoking, whatever. But ऐसे आसना है योगा में जो आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं आपके ब्लड प्रेशर को कंट्रोल में रखने के लिए. So let's start with some yoga asanas to help you in controlling your blood pressure. हमारा जो फर्स्ट आसना है वो है शिशु आसना, child's pose. It is very simple, very easy and can be done by anybody. So what we want to do is we want to sit on our feet. We want to bend the knees. हम अपने पैर पे ऐसे बैठेंगे, toes touching each other, heels are not touching each other, heels are falling out and it is like a little seat we've made here. So we want to sit straight and we want to exhale. सांस बाहर लेते हुए आप आगे जाएंगे. We're going to go down and you're going to place the hands on the mat, forehead on the mat, and we're going to just close our eyes and rest in this posture. This is also a very good posture for relaxation. Also relieves yourself when you are in a stressful situation. This is a very relaxing posture. जब आप ऊपर आएंगे, you're gonna breathe in. सांस अंदर लेते हुए आप धीरे से वापस ऊपर आएंगे. Our next asana is Vajrasana. So that is you want to sit in the same position. आप ऐसे ही बैठेंगे. आप अपने हाथ अपने thighs पे रखेंगे. You want to keep your back straight, shoulders straight. Place your hands on the thighs. You can close your eyes and we want to do some deep breathing sitting like this. Vajrasana एक बहुत ही beneficial आसना है, not only for BP but also for digestion. So even after eating food you can sit like this. और BP कंट्रोल करने के लिए it is very important कि हम breathing पे ध्यान दें. We need to breathe deep, inhale and exhale slowly and deeply while doing each asana. Wonderful. हमारा next आसना है पश्चिमोत्तानासना. इसमें हम ऐसे बैठेंगे. We're going to just sit with our legs stretched out, Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. We are going to breathe in and as you breathe out, you want to fold from the waist. आप सांस बाहर लेते हुए आगे को जाएंगे. You're going to bend forward. You're going to hold on to your knees or your ankles, whatever is comfortable for you. And we are going to go down and just hold this posture. We want to breathe normally when we are in this asana. Just normal inhaling and exhaling. Now we want to slowly breathe in and come up. सांस अंदर लेते हुए आप ऊपर आके वापस ऐसे बैठेंगे. हमारा next आसना है Janusirasana. This is also a forward bend. It is a one-legged forward bend. So we are going to start in the same position. आप ऐसे ही start करेंगे. We're going to bend the right leg. So the right foot is touching the inner thigh of your left leg. And then we are going to fold forward in the same way we did in Paschimottanasana. So we will breathe in and exhale as we fold forward, go down. You're going to hold on to your leg and we are going to hold this asana. We want to do some deep breathing here. Now don't worry if your hand is not reaching your feet, you can even keep your hands here, and even if you're just this position, it is also very beneficial. So we're going to breathe in as we come up, and now we're going to change the legs. So we're going to do the same thing, but with the left leg folded, the foot touching the thigh of the right leg. And we're going to breathe in and breathe out, fold forward and hold. When we want to come up, we are going to breathe in. सांस अंदर लेते हुए हम ऊपर आएंगे. हमारा next asana है Baddha Konasana, also known as the butterfly pose. So we are going to sit straight with the soles of the feet touching each other. हम ऐसे बैठेंगे जिसमें हमारे पैर एक दूसरे को ऐसे टच करेंगे. We want to sit straight, back straight. We can do a few variations in this asana. So you can move your knees, or you can just sit like this, or else you can stay in this position. You want to open the feet and want to breathe out, and we want to slowly come forward without rounding the back. So even if you're just a little bit forward, whatever variation you take, it is your variation of the asana and it will definitely benefit you. So when we want to come up, we want to breathe in and come up. Wonderful. Now we're going to do Setu Bandhasana, also known as the bridge pose. इसमें हम लेटेंगे, ऐसे अपने बैक पे लेटेंगे. Feet will be hip width apart. आप अपने पैर ऐसे flat mat पे रखें. हाथों को भी मैट पे रखें. We're going to push with our feet onto the mat and lift the body. Breathe in as you're lifting the body. सांस अंदर लेते हुए आप ऊपर आएंगे, and we are going to hold this for a few breaths. Again, we want to just do some normal breathing here. And breathe out. सांस बाहर लेते हुए आप नीचे को आएंगे. When we want to come out of this, we are going to go slightly on the left. We're going to push with the hand and slowly come up. ऐसे आप धीरे से ऊपर आए. We don't want any jerky movements. So these were a few asanas to help you in regulating your blood pressure. अगर आपको high BP है और आप घर पे हैं, आप ये कभी भी कर सकते हैं. These are very beneficial asanas and will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Namaste.